Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to check your progress in code.org course A for all levels. This particular course is for KG class. Course A, let's start and check our progress first with the help of login. On the top right corner, I'm going to use private window. How to open your how to log in the private window using Microsoft Edge. Just click here top right corner, then click on new private window, then the browser will appear. In the URL, type the code.org, press enter button, and after that you will get this interface. Select the language English, click on submit. Now top right corner, sign in. That's how you can log into your account, and after that you need to enter the code here. You can check your diary and you will enter this code. Okay, copy this code, right click, select copy, then go back in the incognito mode. Yes, just paste it over here, 6-digit code, control V, click on go. Then after that you need to select your name. This is welcome interface. So now select the password. So here's my password, secret image. Click on sign in, and now this onward you will see the progress of your kid. Okay, and student, you can check your progress. So lesson 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have completed. I have made all the tutorials. You can check in the description of this video as well. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, now today we are going to learn about loops with Scrat, loops with Laurel, and ocean scene with loops, and then we will complete this all on the move with events. Then we will check the event as well. Okay, so let's start clicking on loops. So now help scroll across the slippery ice to get the icon. So today we are going to learn loops so that we can repeat the instruction again. Look here how to use the loops. Loops will help you to repeat the same instruction again and again. So first of all, you need to move this one. Click on hit run. No, it will not run because in the workspace there is no instruction written over here. So I will do what? I will put this block over here, repeat 5 times. Why it's written here 5 times? You can even change this, that 2 3 4 5 till 10. Okay, now count this 1 2 3 4 and then 5. So now you need to move this this side. This is called east. So put east block here. Now hit the run button, reset, run. That's it. That's how you complete the puzzle 1 of lesson 8. Now use both west, this right side, and the downward south block to get to the icon. So it's very easy. So let's create our logic. Count number of steps: 1 2 3 4 5. Move 5 steps forward. Okay, now put repeat block. 5 is there. So which way? This way. So this west block, put it over here. Now try this. You can even use step as well to debug your code, to check the errors in your code. Now till here my code is working successfully, no error. So I have to move now downwards. So count the steps 1 and 2. So put repeat block again. Now move downwards. How many times? 5 times? No, 1 and 2. Downward 2 times. So click here, select 2. There is no 2 option here, so select 3. So let me try this, and make sure that you have to, your limit is how many blocks you can use here for this specific puzzle 8. So I have used only 5. You can try like that. Okay, now let's try this. Run. First this block is you are executing. Now after that one successfully. Okay, now you have completed puzzle 2. Moving towards the puzzle number 3. Video loops in I say. So today I will just see that how to use this using the repeat block.
This is a repeat block. It'll let you loop the code inside as many times as you tell it to. To a computer, Code that you write like this
Yes,
looks
you
just
can
like
click
code
here
that you
download
write
and
like
you
this.
can watch this video. It's the same code that I have just told in my previous videos, that how to use the repeat block and what is the purpose of repeat block. Can you see over here we are moving how many times right side? Right side 1, 2, 3 and 4 times we are moving. Instead of writing this statement again we will use what? We just drag and drop this repeat block and write here, instead of 4 I will type 5, instead of 5 I will type 4, and then I will just put a single block inside this so that it will repeat this instruction 4 times. That's it. Okay, now let's move towards the next puzzle. Okay, now add one more block to get Scrat all the way to the icon. You need to add one more block. So first try this. First it will repeat this block. It's not repeating that, so because the repeat or if block need to have other block inside it to work. Make sure the inner block fits properly inside the containing block. So let's count 4 times, it will move towards east. So let's check that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. Then here you need to move downward. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's written here, so downward put this south block. That's it. Now reset the environment, run. 4, now move downward 4 times. It's repeating this instruction 4 times. That's it. Now completed puzzle number 5. Quickly we will complete this all. Can you add a loop to get to the icon? It's saying now we need to add a loop. First we will run this. It will repeat 4 times towards east, 3, 4, then 4 times downward, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then it has to move on the left side how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So put this repeat block here. Now move towards west 4 times. Now all block completed. Now reset, run. It's running 4 times these instructions. That's it. Level 6 completed. Puzzle number 7 completed of level 8. Now Scrat Lily wants that icon. Okay, now you need to write your code. This is called challenge puzzle. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps forward. So put repeat block. So 4 steps downward. Which way? Downward. So here is the downward done. Now it will become 0 now. Now after that, when you reach over here, you can check the step as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now we have to move now leftward 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then upward 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's how you can debug your code. 4 times. Now 4 times this way. When you reach over here after executing this step, done. Okay, now when you will complete this as well, so you can put repeat block again. Now you have to move upward 1, 2, 3 and 4. North. Now done. Click on reset, run. 2, 3, 4. Now second loop 1, 2, 3, 4 on the west side. Now upward towards the north side 4 times. You have completed puzzle number 7. Congratulations. Next. Okay, now puzzle number 8. Lesson 8 loops with Scrat. Puzzle number 8. So now I am here. I have to reach over here. So there is only way. First move forward. How many steps? 3 steps. This code is fine. Now let's try this. Can you fix the code? 1, 2. Okay, now let's check. That's how you can fix the code, by using steps. Now upward how many times? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now you have to move how many steps left here. When you will move towards, you need to add 2 more steps here, 1 and 2. Then you need to move towards 4 times here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. What if you will take another step? Yes, you will fall down. Okay, तो क्या करना है? You need to make changes over here. This here in this step there is error. That's why I have used steps. So you need to make this First 3 steps is fine. You will move 1, 2, 3. Then you need to move upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many steps? 5 steps towards the north side. So use, instead of 3, change it to 5. Then 4, then 4. Fine. Now run this. 3. Now second loop, move, repeat this instruction 5 times. Third loop will repeat the instruction towards the west side 4 times. Now downward towards the south 4 times. That's how you complete level. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 8. You just wrote 8 lines of code. Continue. Now the icon is so far away. Can you use loops to help Scrat get there? Okay, now it's over here. This is our destination. So count the loop steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps forward. Put repeat block. Move towards the east side 5 times. Then downward 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can run this and you can build your logic like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now here you need to move, put another repeat block and count number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Done. Move towards downward 5 times. 5 times. When you reach here after executing this loop, then you need to move towards left side 1, 2, and 3. Put repeat block. Put repeat how many times? 3 times. Then move towards west. You can now check this. Run. Downward. Second loop is executing 5 times downward. Now after that it will move over here 3 times towards west. Now upward 1, 2, and 3. Put again another loop. Then select this to 5 to 3 times. So that was our requirement. Now move upward. Only one block left, which is N. Upward 3 times. Now run, and that's how you can complete the level. I have used loops in my previous videos as well. This is part number 4. Lesson 8. Loops with Scrat. Only loops. Loops will help you to reduce human effort. It will repeat the same instruction again and again. Okay, congratulations, completed puzzle 9. So let's continue. Okay, now challenge puzzle is here at lesson number 10. So I am ready to take this challenge. Click here. Now help Scrat get all the way over the icon. Okay, now we have to use only 11 blocks. So first we will build our logic. We have to use repeat block and count number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps forward. So put this. Which way? Forward means which side? Downward. Okay, now south side. After that move 2 steps here. 1, 2. 2 steps towards the west. Change this to west like that. Okay, now you can even check your code using these steps. Okay, now that's how you can debug. I'm going to save your time, so click on run. First it will repeat this repeat block 5 times. Move towards south. Now it will move towards 2 times towards the west. Now it will move upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps upward. 5 steps upward. Okay, now reset. Check the code. First it will repeat the first loop 5 times when moving towards south, then west towards, move towards 2 steps, then upward north side to move towards, upward means north. So direction is also there, you can learn the direction as well. Okay, now put again repeat block 1 to 2 steps, move towards which side? This side. This side is what? This side is our west side. Okay, now scroll down. When you will go there 2 steps, okay, then you need to move downward 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 steps downward. Steps is written there, so put just south block, which is shows that it's a downward. Now our puzzle ready. Okay, now start from here, reset the environment. First it will execute this 5 times southward, then second loop towards, move towards 2 steps left, Now north side 5 steps, then west 2 steps, then again downward 5 steps towards south. That's how you can complete the challenge puzzle. You wrote congratulations 10 lines of code. Excellent. Click on continue. Okay, now help Scrat get to the icon. Okay, now let's build our logic. Move forward. How many steps? 5 steps. Count the steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Put repeat block. Then move towards west. Then change the block. 4. Then upward 1 and 2. 2 step upward. Move towards north side. Then when you reach over here, let's try this. Upward 2 steps. Then after that you need to build logic over here. Till here there is no error. So put another repeat block. How many times? Count the steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times. So move east. How many times? 4 times. Okay, and after that move upward 2 times. So repeat 2 times and move upward towards the north side. Now reset the environment. Now check that. Is it working or not? Now it will now move towards north 2 steps. That's it. The last loop. You completed puzzle 8. Congratulations. Now the last level, which is our 12th level, lesson 8 loops with Scrat practice. Okay, now you can take any way. You can move forward, you can move upward, and you can take any route. Okay, now it's up to you. I'm going to use like this route. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps upward. Put this. How many times I have to repeat? 5 times. Which way? North side. So try this. Run. Then I have to move towards this time now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps. Put repeat block. Select 5 times. 5 times which side? This side. This is called my east side. So put this and now reset. Run. Yes. Infinity blocks. You can use infinite number of blocks here. That's it. Finish. Congratulations.